Hey guys, it's Matt opening up a new pack today. Argent's Saga Betrayal. Let's see. I have no idea what's in these packs. Let's see if we get something cool. The card back looks nice. Cryptic Secret. Dancer of Time. These are thick. Delayed Poison. Disintegration Shot. Shard Research Facility. Shard's Word Nova. Shining Shardagger. Oh my god. Foil Drained Hag. And lightning shot. This foil is very hard to read. And an Argent shard, because it's like the mana. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. Is this the worst foil you've ever seen? Let me know.